Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the Corporate Online Booking Tool 2.0. To get started, simply enter your login ID and password, then click the Login button. Alternatively, you can enter your official email address and choose to receive a one-time password to log in that way. First, select the traveler you're booking for. Once done, click Continue. Enter your origin and destination. Here we're entering Singapore to Osaka. Pick your departure and return dates, then select Price Driven. Click Search Flight to proceed. You can sort the results by price, corporate rate, policy compliance, or preferred airline, depending on what matters most for your booking. At the top of the results page, you'll find different airlines with their prices listed. The prices for departing and returning flights are shown together, making it easier to compare. Clicking on Flight Detail gives you a full breakdown of the outbound and return schedule side by side. You can see each leg of the journey, including layover durations at each airport. At the bottom, the carbon emission for the trip is also displayed. Next, we'll demonstrate the schedule-driven option. Same route, Singapore to Osaka. Here we select schedule-driven as the search method. Once you're in the results, you'll notice flights are now prioritized by departure time. Any flight that arrives the following day will have a +1 marked in red, so it's easy to spot. Clicking into Flight Detail gives you a full breakdown of the schedule. And if the itinerary involves a layover, where the arrival and departure airports are different, that will also be flagged in red, so travelers know exactly what to expect before booking. On the ancillary page, you can add extra baggage or select seats for each traveler. Here, let's go ahead and select seats. Now you can select a seat directly from the seat map. Once selected, the seat details will be shown on the left. Click Continue to Next Flight to select seats. After selecting your flight, you'll be prompted to fill in the passenger details and trip information. Once that's done, you can also enter your frequent flyer membership number, so your miles are accumulated with every booking. Once done, click Complete Booking to continue. Next, you will need to review the fare rules for your selected flight. Once done, check the acknowledgement box and click Confirm. Once the user submits a booking request, the approver will receive an email notification. In this case, the request is routed to 3 approvers in sequence. Once the first approver takes action, it moves on to the second, and so on. Inside the email, they can review the selected flight itinerary. It also shows the lowest and highest fare for reference, making it easier to make an approval decision. When ready, the approver simply clicks Review an Action Booking, which directs them to the portal to approve or reject the request. To approve a request, click Approve. A confirmation will appear since the action can't be undone. Click Yes, Approve to confirm, and you'll see an Approved Success message. To reject, click Reject instead. You will be asked to enter a reason before reject. Once submitted, a Booking Rejected message will appear. Once all approvers have signed off, the booking is confirmed and the ticket is issued. The traveler will receive a confirmation email with the final booking status. Now let's take a look at hotel booking. From the dashboard, make sure hotel booking is selected. Now select a traveler. On the hotel search page, enter your destination, in this case Osaka, then select your check-in and check-out dates and click Search Hotel. Once the results are shown, hotels are sorted by price by default. You can use the filters on the left to narrow down by policy, star rating, amenities, and more. Each listing shows the hotel rating, lead-in room type, and whether it's in policy or out of policy. Click See Availability to view the available room types. On the hotel details page, you can view the hotel description, amenities, and available room types. Each room shows the price per night, total cost, and whether it's in policy or out of policy. Once you've found the right room, click Select to proceed. Once a room is selected, you'll be taken to the Complete Info page. Fill in the traveler details, reason of travel, and cost center. On the right, you can review the full price breakdown, including taxes and additional charges. You can also enter your hotel membership number and select the payment method before clicking Proceed to Booking. Once submitted, the request will be sent to the approver for further action. Should you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us.